guys, so I got a fix for you today, cheap fix on the sunroof. So if you have a problem with sunroof leaking like mine, it was leaking. So on the previous video you saw that I unclogged it. Back there it was, it took some work, it took some time, took some work, but still got clogged eventually after a month. So my cheap fix is use Gorilla Tape. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is no tape. You don't see it. It's on there, but you can't see it. So, but the only bad part is you can't use that sunroof. But also I'm not gonna spend any more extra time or money to fix the clogged drain pipe.